Greetings and welcome. We come now to the names of food items. So for food, we are going to have the equivalent dijo in Setswana. For the fruit apple, we are going to have the equivalent apole and diapole in plural. For bean, it's nawa and beans, dinawa. For beef is nama ya kgomo, meaning the meat of a cow or cow's meat. For beetroot, we are going to have biti. That is the name of beetroot in Setswana. Now, bread is borotho. Biltong, segwapa. That is dried meat. Butter, botoro. So for butter, you are going to have the word botoro. For cabbage, kolo. That is the word for cabbage. And dikolo for cabbages. Carrots, one carrot is segwete. And many carrots, digwete. For chicken, nama ya koko. That is chicken meat or meat of chicken. Nama means meat and koko means chicken. So it's nama ya koko, meat of chicken. For coffee, kofi. That is the derivative that is used for coffee, derived from Afrikaans. But the word for coffee here would be mutshwane. That is the real name for coffee. And for eggs, you would have le being egg and ma being eggs. For fish, tlhapi for one, ditlhapi for plural. Fruit, liungo. Fruits, maungo. So meal would be bupi. Bupi before you cook it. Meat, nama, as we said. Milk, mashi. The W acts as a silent word. For mutton, you would have the word nama yanku. And for oil, that is mafura. Mafura, that is cooking oil. For onions, you would have eiye for one onion, the eiye for more than one onions. And orange, namune. Namune. Dinamune. That is the plural. For potato, you would have the word tapole. And potatoes, ditapole. Pumpkin, lephutsi. Plural, maphutsi. Rice would be reisi, also a derivative from Afrikaans. Salt, letswai. Letswai. Soft porridge, which usually you make with meal or sorghum, motogo. The sorghum itself would be mabele. sugar, sukiri. Sweets, for one, simonamone, and dimonamone for plural. Or some would say subiti and disubiti for plural. Tomato, tamati for one, ditamati for more than one. Water, metsi. Now we can go back and look. Dijo, we said that is the name for food. Food is dijo. Apple, the apple. Listen to the pronunciation now. Nawa, dinawa. Nama ya kgomo. Bete, borotho, segwapa, botoro, kolo, dikolo, segwete, digwete. Nama ya kuku, that is chicken, nama ya kuku. Kofi or mutswane. Most people would rather use coffee. Le e ma e tlhapi ditlhapi leungo maungo bupi nama mashi nama ya nku mafura eiye dieiye namune dinamune tapole ditapole lephutsi maphutsi reisi letswai motogo mabele sukiri simonamone dimonamone tiye tamati ditamati metsi. Now here are some food preparation methods, beginning with braai or barbecue as some call it. That would be besa. To braai the meat is to besa nama. To cook is to apaya, go apaya. To dry, especially fruit and meat, that is omisa. Omisa. And to fry is gadika, that is to fry.